Hey guys, I am so sorry that I cannot be there to teach you this lesson in person. Um, I am not feeling well. My joints are not working. As I told you earlier this year, that I have arthritis, and when the weather changes, it affects my joints. So please make sure that you are following along in your book. I'm going to have the same pages up on my screen as you do in your book. Please feel free to pause this lesson and go at your pace. I will be checking these pages when I come back. And if these pages are not done, there is no Fun Friday for the people who do not get these pages done. So make sure these pages get done. Okay, so we are on page 203. Again, feel free to pause this at any time. If I'm going too fast, pause. If you want some time to figure out, pause. You can go back and rewatch things. This is here for you. Okay, we're still working with solving multi-step problems. This is our problem today, our first problem. Students make origami animals with people at a senior center. They fold 24 butterflies and 27 whales. They put the origami in boxes with 9 origami animals in each box. Write and solve an equation to find how many boxes the students need. Okay, I'm going to take some notes right under try it of what I know. So I'm going to do B for butterflies. There's 24. W for whales, there's 27. They put them in boxes with 9 in each box. And we got to figure out how many boxes they need. Okay, remember, we are working with multi-step problems. That means it's not going to just be an easy one and done. It means that there are multiple steps for this. Okay, think about it, pause. I want you to try to solve it on your own and then come back to it after you've tried. So pause the video right here. Okay, so you should have paused the video now. Okay, with multi-steps, I'm going to give you a big hint that we are going to do a little bit of division here. And that is okay. I know we haven't gotten into division a whole lot yet, but I know you guys can do it. Okay, our first step would be that we need to know the total number of origami animals. Okay, so that would be putting those two together, which means I would add these two and I'd put parentheses around them. Okay, we know that there is 9 in each box, but we don't know how many boxes. Okay, that is a division problem. Okay, division. I know that's really, really out there. We haven't really done anything with it, and that's okay. Okay, so we have 24 plus 27. That's 51 divided by 9. Okay, this is what I want you to do first. I want you to count by 9s. Okay? I want you to count by 9s. Go 9, 18, or we can say these are multiples of 9s. Okay? This would be box 1. This would be box 2. Box 3. So 9, 18, that would be 27. Even Miss Jarvis struggles sometimes with math. Okay, box 4 is 36. Box 5 is 45. Remember, we're doing multiples of 9. We're skip counting by 9. Box 6 is 54. Okay, here's the problem. We can't have 54 because we only have 51 animals that we're dividing into boxes. Okay, so that means this one we need to say 51. So 51. Okay, so then this is one group of 9. So those are dots of 9. Okay, that's one group of 9. Copy. Okay, here's another group of 9. Another group of 9. Another group of 9. Another group of 9. Okay, but how I get from 45 to 51 is not 9. Okay, how I get to that is 6. Okay, so our answer to this original equation we have right here would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Then we use a big R. That stands for remainder of 6. There's 6 left over. Here's the thing. There are 6 left over, but how many boxes do we need? Because these 6 still need a home. That means we need this many boxes. So that is our actual answer. Okay, I know division can be tricky. I know it can, but we can do it because we can do hard things. Okay, another way you could have done it was in a number line. So what they did was this is the butterflies and this is the whales. They have it going to 51. They skip counted by 9s, just like we did. They found multiples of 9. Okay, then the total number of animals shown in the number line is 24 plus 27. The number line shows jumps of 9 because each box holds 9 animals. Okay, so this is the equation. And then, again, they solved it. The amount left over is called the remainder. You're going to want to remember that. Okay. We're going to do this problem. Anne will host a dinner to celebrate Tet, the Vietnamese Lunar New Year. She has $200 to buy groceries. She needs $95 for a pork and egg dish, $54 for sticky rice cakes, and $38 for soup. Write and solve an equation to find out if she has enough money for the food. Estimate to check if your answer is reasonable. Show your work. Okay, so we have, or she has $200 to buy groceries. She needs this much money to make those certain things. How do we find out how much money she has left over or if she has enough money for food? Well, we are going to add these all together. Okay, I'm going to leave this one like this. You guys can figure this out. pause it, figure it out, move on to the next one. Remember, I will be checking. Okay, 9 works with question 8. Change is anything left over. Is there anything left over? Okay, Selena wants to buy the same number of puppets for each of her 4 children. She has $53. Each puppet costs 2. Write and solve an equation to find out how many puppets Selena can buy for each child. Okay, so she has this much. We need to know how much money she'd spend if she bought just one for each child. So she has 4 children. Each of the puppets cost $2. And then we would divide that by 53 because that's the total amount she has. So that would end up being 53 divided by 8. Again, I want you to skip count to figure this out. It does have a remainder. Pause this. Okay, you should have tried to solve it. You're going to skip count by 8 until we get something close to 53. So 8, 16. So this would be each child. Oh, actually, let's make a table. Okay. So number of puppets each child gets. Okay. That was actually really long. Okay, and then money spent. Remember, she only has $53. We can't go above $53. Okay, so if every child gets one puppet, that would be $8. That is using these right here. Okay. If every... Okay, hopefully I have enough room. I actually might have to move this real quick. Okay, moving it real quick. Okay. So if every child gets 2 puppets, that's going to be $16 because we're going to double this. We're going to count by 8s. Okay, so another 8 would be 24. Another 8 would be 32. Another one would be 40. Okay, we haven't reached 53 yet or anywhere near 53, so we got to keep going. We have 48. And then 7 would be 56. Okay, we only have $53. 56 is over $53. So we know that right here is going to be our pretty spot. Okay, so we have 6, but we have remainder because 48 does not equal 53. So we have remainder 5. Don't know why I put remainder 3. We have remainder of 5. But it's asking how many puppets can Selena buy for each child. 6 would be that number because we can't buy 7 for each child because we don't have $56. We can buy 6 for each child because we have $48. So it would be 6. Oh, wrong one. 6 for each child. I was going to say student. Child. Okay, this is a great example you can look at to help you. Use this example to help you. This green page is what you're going to be turning in. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems. You can do this. Use my notes. Use this video again. Use this example, especially because question number 1 wants you to use the example. Okay, remember, I will be checking this off, and if you do not get this done, that includes these blue pages in the book you will not get Fun Friday on Friday. Good luck, rewatch this video as needed, and be good.